Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. I'm working on this landscape again, and this is the image that my friend sent to me. You can see even when I zoom in, it's a bit blurry. And so there's some detail that's lost here, but it's clearly a lot of trees and greens. But I want to point out what I'm doing. I can't show all that detail anyway on this mosaic, but each section goes from dark to light. And so just to sort of delineate the areas, it has dark and then it has light up at the top and sort of medium in between. This area is a little bit darker, but there is some light up at the top and then it's dark behind there. So there's some different colors leading up the hill and into the distance. And so that's what I'll try to portray here. I'm going to go with some darks here and then light here. And then again, some darks. They'll still be green, but they'll go up and they'll be a little bit lighter on the top. That's it. Had some unglazed porcelain tiles from a project I did a long time ago, but I needed more, so I ordered these from Wits End. They are unglazed porcelain Cinca tiles. So I'm going to soak the back off, get that ready, and then I'll draw up my design pen to paper for the first time. A few minutes to dry, so while they're drying I can work on the design. I will be drawing the leaves in later, but first I am going to draw the radiating circle. So I want one here, and one sort of smack in the middle of that one. I'm just going to draw those dots. I like that relationship. Let me move that one over a little bit. And I'm going to draw some reference circles to use, and I don't have to stick with the size of these. This is just so that I don't mess up and start doing ellipses or ovals or something like that. Basic design. Clearly I'll be keystoning quite a bit, especially close to the leaves, but I like how they sort of lead your eye around, looking at one to the other. That's what I'm going for. last scheduled session for my community project of mandalas, and I'm a little bit nervous because we are almost finished with this and I have a lot of people coming. So I want to keep everyone busy. So my solution is that I've set up more seats on a smaller table with the bigger project so more people can fit around it. I'll show you in a second. So I've had 4 people working on each one, but this one's almost finished. So I'm going to pull some people off this one. This one I'm hoping will finish today too. And then over here is where I've set it up so that up to 6 people can work. It's going to be super tight, but I was trying it out last week where I put a plate on my lap and cut onto my lap and then put the pieces in, and it was working all right. So that's what we're going to be doing. Light turnout, so we didn't have to squish 6 people around this project. We could all sit comfortably at a table. What'd you guys think?
I liked it. It's been fun. Really fun. It's been really great. Very stress relief, satisfying. Yeah.
What'd you think?
It was great. It was fun.
Thanks. Thanks so much for helping. Today I'm doing an open house for the Mandala project at the facility that's hosting it. So let me show you how I've set up my room. I'm going to be demonstrating here. This is the one that we completed yesterday. Just need to grout. And then I have a table set up with the design, the glass, the palette, some more glass. Over here I have a cutting station so I can demo that. And then we tiled the edges and they look pretty, these big things of tiles, so I'll set those out. I'm mostly just doing a demonstration, but in case anybody comes in that wants to glue a piece down, what I've done is I have left some unglued and I put a dot on them. And then after they glue it, we'll just wipe that off. It's with dry erase. So there's one, here's a couple. I need to get a few more ready. This one's one. So that's how we're doing that. It's been quite a push to get a lot of work done on these mandalas this week. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.